A moment.
A moment.
A moment. Look what's down there. You see that foolishness down there?
I can't see.
Betwixt our legs. Look. Why? Like, why, honey? We can't just...
She's creepy.
we can't get 5 seconds to ourselves without some child feeling the need to come. Look, why? Why? The poor man
so
can't
creepy.
even get... You be freaking people out. Creepy. Yeah, I just had to add that in there. I don't know what we're doing.
I don't know what we're doing.
We're supposed to be going to change his mom's tire on the highway. But then Honey was like, wait a minute. Am I going to take my family, all 4 kids, my wife, to go change my mother's tire on the highway? But he was happy to go do it, not realizing that I had to drive him. So we had to call the highway people so that they could go out and change it. What are you doing, Geobutt? What are you doing? Oh, he's so sweet. He is so sweet when he wanna be sweet. Right?
Hi.
Lock the door. Let me get up. I can't. They be tripping. Okay, I can't. I am not no young spring chicken. I can't be bending down like that. Right, honey? No young spring chicken born here.
Nope.
Nope. No young spring chicken.
Not up in here.
Baby, what you doing? No. Look at my armpit. I need to shave him. Where you going? Alright.
Is this fine?
What are you doing?
Is this fine?
What?
Look.
Here.
Is this fine if she mess out like this?
Get the water.
What are you wearing?
Mommy, here. Here's the water. You want it.
What? Why has to be the minion guy? And why is it 3/4 and 2 ice cubes? Of all the ice cubes in the refrigerator, then the freezer,
I can't really reach all the
of all
ice.
the cups in the cupboard, and the fact that you only filled it 3/4 of the way.
Stop touching my bear.
It's okay. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you. Do I get a kiss with it? Ah, yes.
Yeah, I'll come by.
Bye.
Is Jason's ball? Oh, okay. Dave.
Huh?
Yeah, he corrected me. He said, this is Jason's ball.
Whose ball is it?
I
Jason.
said, can I see your ball? He's like, it's not my ball.
Say good morning, sunshine. No? What are you doing? Oh, I love fall. I love the leaves. Oh no, not with my shoes. Look at you.
What's up?
Watch out for the bump.
What bump?
I tripped
Come
over
here.
the bump.
I fell over your bump.
No, you didn't.
She said yours is not believable. No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Where are we going, honey?
Alright, see ya.
I see. We're walking.
Oh, walking a while.
Good morning, sunshines. Where are the boys? Where are my children? Where did they go? Where did they go? Did they go around?
They went
No, they went to the dumpster.
Oh, it's like the mystery of the missing children. Let me not say that because that wouldn't be nice.
I know.
Hi. You gonna say hi? You gonna say good morning? Nope. So we're walking to Harris Teeter to get some breakfast because we have no breakfast in our house. There they are. Where are they? Where are they? Oh, they're running across. So we're walking to Harris Teeter to get some breakfast. Throw it. I'll catch it.
Daddy,
Go!
Oh, sorry. I thought you got it.
Daddy, I got it. Daddy, look. Wait. Daddy, hold this.
Where are the boys?
Daddy.
Yeah, so we're walking to get some breakfast.
Around it? Daddy, is here around it?
This is what we do. It's 7:45 in the morning.
Brother?
Rounder.
No, it's getting
We're late
skinnier.
because we had to wait for Jackson.
It's getting skinnier.
Jackson woke up late, so we had to wait for him. We had to wait on little man.
That's good.
Yeah.
Look.
He does not conform to our schedule. We have to adjust to his schedule.
Getting bigger. Buffer.
And hard.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. They're getting so big.
Look at Jordan's pants.
That's short.
Oh my goodness.
We just spent
It looks like
all that
lots of
money on
others.
clothes and he still look
Because
homeless.
he's still wearing the same old clothes. He's just not wearing the
We
new
just need
clothes.
to get rid of them. Right, Teeny? I wonder who said that.
I really don't have much new clothes.
Why don't you have much new clothes? All that stuff that we bought and put in your closet?
Some of those are and some of my it's too broken. Feel like
Look at these beautiful homes.
Look at the layout.
Last
of
time
it.
I showed you guys, they were just, but they're so close together
Yeah, I
though.
don't like that.
Look at that big one over there. It's like
I found Julie.
so pretty.
Julie.
These are all new homes going up, guys. House right here
They only have
is
like
one,
3 or
and
4
now
feet.
over there is one different house, and it's a pretty house. It's a really nice house, but why would I want to be so close to my neighbor, paying all this money, and I don't have space? Like, nice and pretty
Yeah, throw it on.
house.
You're gonna touch your finger. Look at that one. That one's pretty. And
Yeah.
they got the spiral staircase going on.
These are nice homes.
You can make these right here.
Really pretty houses.
Mhm.
You can heat it up and it turns into
What is wrong with that child?
Has this one been rented already?
No, this is the model.
this
This
is
is
the
the model
model?
house.
Oh.
They already decorated and everything.
There's a bed under here.
Yeah.
And there's a balcony. There's a bed under here? Yeah.
Come on, guys. Hi, people. I'm getting ready to go to the store. So, I'll be taking... Oh, it stinks in this car. I'll be taking my husband's truck. I'm going to start to pick up some meat for... I'm going to start to pick up some meat for lunch. Because my husband is home. So I'm going to go pick up some meat for lunch. And I'm taking his car. I have my own setting in here. That's it? I thought it was closer. Unless they changed that. Dang. I thought it was closer. Yeah, but I love driving this truck. His truck is so spacious. Like, ooh, I feel like I'm gonna run everybody off the road when I drive my hubby's truck. Compared to my little tiny car. So I'm gonna go get some meat and then come back and make some steak. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. So I gotta get where's the avocado? I gotta get avocado for my salad. I had a nice avocado. So I need an avocado, but there's none. There's no avocado. It's ready. I'm gonna get that. I need an onion for my. Oh, I have onion at home. I'm just gonna go get my steak. See you guys later. I'm so proud of myself. Look at my parking job. Good job, Janice. Let me stop. I'm gonna go home and cook it. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go home and cook my lunch. So I got steak, chicken, and what else did I get? Oh my gosh. I think I got it. Steak, salad, a whole bunch of crap. So I'll see you guys when I get home. This is so weird. I'm gonna go pick up the babies. You like my umbrella? So cute. Yeah, but I'm gonna go pick up the kids. It's raining. Not that much, but just a little bit. And I feel like driving my car, so yeah. It's cold. Hop on. Hop on. I like your umbrella.
Mommy?
¿Qué pasó?
Mommy, let me go under. Can we go to Toys R Us?
Not today, it's raining.
What? After?
It's raining.
No, after when the rain stops.
Not today.
What?
How did you say not
I
today?
got my certificate.
Who has your certificate?
I got here. Yay.
It's like moving mountains.
Yay. That's not coming. Yay, Buzz not coming to the house.
You don't wait for me no more pudding.
People usually don't listen to
My
me.
bambinos are getting so
Let's
big.
go.
What are you two fighting about? You're like two peas in a pod. You're supposed to be accustomed to sharing already.
Not because I'm not sharing.
You are Wombmate.
We don't. We are. Oh yeah.
You will always be
We are
roommates.
roommates.
No, Wombmate.
I like this.
Meaning you share the room.
Yeah, we're roommates. I'm getting wet. Oh, you rushed in. A pumpkin.
And a pumpkin. It's just the top of a pumpkin.
Oh yeah, remember?
Don't touch that. Ew.
Oh, it's the pieces from.
Eliana, it's gone.
It's the pieces from Bella's pumpkin.
Oh yeah, you don't wait for it no more.
Pieces of the pumpkin laid everywhere. And the Gillox. All the pieces.
I left my key for my car.
Oh, you didn't share with me. Yeah.
All right, let's go. How was school? It looks so sad.
Mommy, can you hold this new thing that I found on the bus? Daddy said pick up nothing. Why? It's treasure. I found it. Found this kid.